Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Kraken with API key permissions safely, full guide step by step clearly. Create an account on Kraken if you haven't already. Log into your Kraken account using your credentials. Navigate to the API section found in your account settings. Select the option to create a new API key. You will be prompted to enter specific permissions for the API key. Choose the permissions based on your needs, such as reading account information or executing trades. It's vital to limit permissions to only what is necessary for security reasons. Once you've configured the permissions, generate the API key. Take note of both the API key and the secret key displayed after generation. Store both keys securely in a password manager or a safe location. Never share your API keys publicly or with anyone you do not trust. Now, set up your trading or analysis software that requires access to Kraken. In your software, locate the settings section for API key integration. Enter your API key and secret key in the designated fields. Check if your software requires you to specify the permissions again. If so, ensure they match what you set on the Kraken platform. Test the connection to ensure everything is working correctly. Keep monitoring your API usage via Kraken's API logs to identify any unauthorized access. Consider rotating your API keys periodically for enhanced security. Stay informed about any security updates or best practices from Kraken to ensure your account remains safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.